Hi folks and welcome to today's video. Quick low back pain relief using decompression. Now, I do create a lot of good content for those folks out there suffering with low back pain issues, sciatica nerve pain issues, stenosis, herniated disc, bulging disc, etc. If that's you, then hit that subscribe button. You'll be notified when I upload some great content to get you back on the road to recovery. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay folks, so today I want to quickly show you a couple of simple decompression moves you can do which will help out with that low back pain. Now, your low back pain could be from exercising, working in the garden, herniated disc, bulging disc, you may have tight contracted muscles, and it's nice if we get a feeling of decompression. Decompression essentially is creating space, separation. We're going to help release those muscles off, release the tension. If you do have herniated bulging discs, decompression has been shown to help with the disc reabsorbing back into that disc space. And if you do suffer from sciatica nerve pain, it can also help alleviate some of that pain. So you can do this at home. What you're going to need, this is my high kitchen table or my breakfast bar. Here, more the table, this is more the breakfast bar, okay? And you will see sometimes decompression where you're hanging from a bar. That can be quite difficult for some people because it depends a lot on the strength of your arms to hold you there. You can also pay thousands of dollars and use the DRX 9000. That's a special machine where you get strapped in, okay? But I want to show you just really simple things you can do at home to give you some of that low back pain relief, okay? So simply what you're going to do, now this could be again, kitchen table, breakfast bar. Now you're going to lose me a little bit with my microphone here, so bear with me. We're just going to lie across here like so. Okay, my hips are just hanging off the end there. Take hold, okay, of the breakfast bar so I don't fall off. And I just want you to let your legs dangle. I'm on my tiptoes, just dangle. And I'm going to let the weight of my buttocks, okay, my lower body pull down, and it's going to create a decompression happening at that lower back region. And I just stay here and just breathe. Nice big belly breaths where you breathe in. You expand your stomach, you breathe out, stomach sinks in towards your spine, and you rest your head down. I've just got my head elevated just because I'm speaking in the microphone and don't want to be distorted. But let me just relax for a second, give you 15 minutes of silence. And as I take that big belly breath in, I really can feel my lower back just get stretched and really start to decompress, okay? Now, just showing a different, this is more like your narrow breakfast bar, and this would be larger, maybe the kitchen table, dining table perhaps. You're gonna reach across, you can use your hands at the other side of it. Same principle applies though, okay? Reach across, take hold of it here, just pop the legs back, so you get that. And you wanna wiggle the hips a little bit out, and then you'll feel just this drop from your lower body there. And again, you're gonna place your chest, head on the table, on the surface, and just breathe gently. Nice deep breaths for your stomach. So down we go. And you'll see in the camera as I breathe in, you can see my back lifts up, my stomach's expanding, and it drops down. As it's dropping down, I'm feeling that decompression, that stretch of the lower back region. Again. And you want to spend at least 30 seconds, a minute, maybe even 2 minutes in that position. When you get off, just bring yourself up nice and slowly, controlled, okay? Take a few steps around the room and then go about your day. Don't forget when you're putting this stuff away, when you're sort of picking yourself off, to be in control. Don't be swinging things around again. Go straight back to the garden, start digging, okay? You don't want to hurt yourself even more. But those are simple little things you can do at home, decompression techniques to alleviate some of that low back pain. Guys, questions, comments, hit me up in the description down below. If you want to check out a more aggressive, a more, many say, beneficial decompression stretch, there's one going to pop up in the top of the screen in just a second. Go and check that out. If you've got any questions, problems about your own back pain issues, you can also send me an email. It's also down in the description down below. And I look forward to seeing you all guys next time. Have a great day.